Good evening, everybody. Today, let's do some beautiful nachos. Nachos is actually Mexican food and it is beautiful party food. So, for this, I have got mince. It's beef mince mixed with pork mince. You can add the beautiful nacho, spice mix into it, and or you can add whatever you feel is good for you and which is good for your platter. For the mince, definitely you can put some tomatoes, onion, chopped garlic, crushed pepper, and make this lovely, beautiful mince meat. And if you want it spicy, you can put chili powder, green chilies, and then we have this lovely corn chips, which is lovely nachos. And I have got some cheddar cheese. And if I need to have some mozzarella, I could shred it. And I have this beautiful guacamole. And this is basically lovely avocado, smashed nicely with some tomato, chopped onion, chopped garlic, a little bit of sour cream. Don't put the seeds of tomato and you make this beautiful lovely guacamole. And now let's do the beautiful nacho. So for this I will place the beautiful, I'll do a small plate just to explain to you, and then we will drop the beautiful mince meat here on top. Okay, just a quick mince meat on top. Lovely party food, lovely party food. I'm trying to do this all in one single video. Let me try if I can do this. And then we will drop the lovely, beautiful nachos on top. Okay. And goes the beautiful cheddar cheese. Okay. All on top. You can put you can also use the beautiful mozzarella, but this is fine. And now we will put it in the microwave for, say, a little more cheddar, say around a minute, not more. A minute, not more, maybe a minute. Okay, there we go. Time for it to come out. It's 1 minute up. Beautiful. Oh, there you go. The beautiful party food is getting ready. And now we need to put the lovely guacamole. Yeah, guacamole will go just on top, just enough on each nacho, I would say. Yeah, each corn chip. And then we will do the tasting. All right. The taste is hidden here with the melted cheese and the mince with the guacamole. That's where you will eat the mouthful of this beautiful nacho. And finally, the tasting time, the lovely party food. Just guys, enjoy this lovely Mexican nacho. Delicious.